NNA Productions. Hey, Nick and Aiden here.
No, it's Aiden and Nick here.
Shut up.
Cheers.
Pretzel Club. Yeah, this is actually really comfy. Pretzel Club episode 3.
You might fall over.
I don't care. So I have a fun fact.
What's your fun fact, Nick?
Our sponsor for today is Starbucks.
You're Starbucks.
I am Starbucks. Thank you very much.
Get your white girl on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, fun fact is Starbucks, the logo for Starbucks it means obsession, addiction, and death.
It means...
I still go though.
It means the NNA Productions YouTube channel.
No. That's actually what it means though.
Yeah, I know. It's the NNA Productions YouTube channel. That's what it means. Yeah.
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 So you got any stories?
I do. I went to Lake Geneva this past weekend, and yeah, it was a good time. So we went paddleboarding.
So you know the first episode of Pretzel Club?
Yeah.
You know how we talked about a tree?
Yes.
So recently, I was in Ohio to see my cousin. The cousin that climbed in a tree. So I
one
climbed
that I
in a
apparently don't know. No.
Yeah, because you never knew.
Yes. My elbow's all better, by the way, in case you were caring.
No one cares, though. No one cares.
I know. That's why I just said in case.
No one cares.
Shut up. Just kidding.
Okay, so we were in Ohio. We did a bunch of stuff, actually. We went to Kings Island for like 7 hours. That was...
Did you go when it was dark?
No. We read... What did we ride? We read the... Dude, my 5-year-old little brother... Not little brother.
Did you do the Diamondback?
No. Nah, man.
I don't like roller coasters. Sammy.
What?
I don't like roller coasters. I don't really enjoy them particularly.
So my cousin, he's 5-year-old. He rid a roller coaster that goes upside down like a bunch. The Vortex, that's what it's called. That was scary.
I didn't do that. The biggest one that I did was the Backwell stunt coaster.
You're a baby.
I know.
You're a baby. You're a big baby.
I know.
So we climbed a tree and I fell out of a tree.
Viva la Mexico!
Yeah, you like our shirts today? He finally has a new shirt.
I know. It's free bear hugs. Come
and doesn't have a hat. And do you like my pink socks?
I don't have a hat. I'm getting a haircut today. In case
no one cares though.
I was just about to get to that nobody cares.
Yeah.
Wild cocoa.
The wild cocoa in her. Hey, by the way, guys, yeah, I mowed the lawn today. Hey! There's actually someone there.
Is that me?
Yeah, that's it. So I mowed the lawn today. By the way, yeah, I fell out of a tree, so that's all.
Fell out of a tree?
Yeah.
How high?
I don't know, like 15 feet. Yeah, it's not that bad. It wasn't that bad, but it was funny.
You got dead?
Yeah, I died.
You got dead.
Nick
got dead.
Oh, good.
I'm dead.
Yeah, so I...
Oh, yeah, behind the scenes is Sammy and Jake's hat. Oh, wait. Oh! I look so gangster.
Dude, I wanted to see you fall back. I would, like...
Dude, I'm waiting for it. It's not going to happen. They're in the ground this time.
No, they're not.
So...
I'm getting a haircut today.
Okay. I mowed the lawn today. Tell me how it looks, because...
It looks like crap.
Yeah, it does look like crap. I know.
Coco just took a crap.
Yeah, ha ha ha.
Ha! Ha!
See it? Right there. But you can't see it.
So you went and saw a couple movies this weekend?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of movies this summer. Let's name the movies we've seen.
We've both seen Jurassic World.
I've both seen Terminator. Both seen Minions. Both seen Pitch Perfect 2. I saw Ant-Man.
Not me.
Home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You're so weird.
I know. It was free though.
It was?
Yeah, like it was on our hotel room because they were testing it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, just match the guy on your shirt. With your hat.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah, you do. It's like, oh, it looks like a sombrero.
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 Oh, by the way, men, any men out there that are lonely, like Aiden
Yeah.
and
Nicholas.
a good way to pick chicks up is with a lawnmower. Sorry. It's sexy, especially the color orange. Want me to go get it?
I'm so confused
Want
right
me to go get my orange lawnmower?
now. No.
I'll vroom vroom over you.
Go away. Just go. Just go. Just leave. It's not even my house. It's not even in my house. Hey Sammy, you wanna come take Nick's spot?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the new Nicholas. Sammy, your new name's Nicholas. And yeah, this is Internet Productions again. And yeah, so we recently just time traveled back to when Nick was a little kid. Yeah, it didn't even cut away. That's just how fast we were. I mean, like it was so good. Yeah. So what did you do today, Nicholas?
Call me Sammy.
No.
Okay, I think I stayed home a lot of days.
Okay, he stayed home a lot of days.
I pooped on Jake.
He pooped on Jake.
I farted on him.
He farted on Jake.
Wait, I got
Oh my god! Punk rock, yeah, man! Yeah, punk rock! Yeah!
Hi,
Coco. Oh, see, and this is our majestical dog, Coco.
Coco! I'm just kidding.
Anyway,
Coco lost a nail and it's red.
okay, Sammy, we time traveled back, Sammy. See, he just morphed into Nick. That's,
Oh my god.
yeah. Oh my gosh, is Nick pooping out a little Sammy?
Ah!
Oh
couldn't
my,
help
oh my
it.
gosh. Oh, there's a little Sammy with
So
a pack
white.
of gum. So pale.
Oh, let's go. Oh my god, it smells so bad, by the way. Smell it.
Anyway, I think this concludes.
Pretzel Club episode 3. Hey, Aiden. No, move, Sammy, move.